Okay, so today's question is, how do you make it back from rock bottom financially? Woo! We have all been there and done that, haven't we? The first thing you have to understand is this: more money does not solve a money problem, because if it did, millionaires wouldn't go bankrupt. If more money could solve a money problem, you'd never have a bankrupt millionaire, you'd never have a bankrupt billionaire. So what do? The first thing to understand is you must spend less money than you make. It's the only way to win the money game. So how do you do that? Live by the 10, 10, 30, 50. The first 10% you tithe. Yes, tithe to your church, give to whoever you want to, but you must do it. It might not make sense, but it works. I'm telling you. The next 10% you save. Yes, you must save, not just for a rainy day, but also for a come up. I'm going to tell you about that. The next 30% is cash in your pocket. So you will not be subject to a spending addiction, spending more money than you have available. And the remaining 50% is for your bills. So if you want to come back, live by the 10, 10, 30, 50.